is caring about the tree. It is palm tree, and we have to cut small, I don't know how to name it. Please show us your face, girl.
Без фейса.
Beautiful girl. How are you? Oh my God, amazing time. It's spring. Wonderful day, but actually not very warm as yesterday. Yesterday was warmer, and we planted this little tree recently. I don't know what it is. It seems like apple tree, little apple tree. Oh my God, amazing time. Take a look here. This also kind of apple tree, or maybe I don't know what is it. It is cherry. I like it. But this time it is not. Oh my God, it is. Oh my God, it is drying. It is dying. It is apricot tree, but you see, there is no leaves. Oh, friends, sorry, I have trouble. I have trouble with my... I don't know how to... Oh my God. Родная! I have trouble. Я застрял, и тут могу перевернуться, если буду это. Ты же сказала... Ты же сказала...
Не, а ты что, блядь, не видишь, куда ты едешь?
Вижу, да,
вижу,
плохо
но
вижу.
Как ты видишь? Давай, давай. Еще.
О, смотри, она засыхает. Do you see? Смотри, засохло, листьев нету.
Подожди еще.
Думаешь, вылезет? Oh my God. You see, some branches have leaves, but others don't. Oh my God. I'm upset that if it will die. Here's a tulip, but it's the blossom is over. Oh, we have a hole, big hole here. Beautiful flowers. You see? Apples. Oh, many apples. We are going to have big harvest. Amazing tree. Here's our shed. Sorry. Take a look. It's wonderful sky. Beautiful. Hi, friends. Sorry, who is watching now? Give me your comments. Maybe you have something to say. Maybe you are going to talk a little bit. I would be very, very glad. Ah, nobody wants to watch me. Okay, bye. See you, friends.